rainy day, sunny day. Rainy day, sunny day. Rabbit woke up. She looked out her window. The sun was coming up. Said it was going to be a sunny day. She got her breakfast. Then she looked out the window. Then clouds were coming. It came to rain.
Is it going to rain?
Is it going to rain? She said.
She asked.
It rained and rained. Is it going to rain all day? Asked Rabbit. Rabbit put on her raincoat. She put on her boots. She put on her rain hat. Then she went out in the rain. She ran and ran. She looked to run in the rain. Splash, splash, splash!
Splish, splash, splash.
Then the wind came at
It
it, went
blew
blew away. The clouds, the sun came out, and the rain stopped.
Very good.
Rabbit took off her raincoat. She took off her boots. She took off her rain hat. This is the last one, people. She went out to play. Rabbit looked to play in the sand. And the
Liked.
sun.
Rabbit liked to play in the sun.
Liked. Yeah. And 2.
Very good.
Thank you for watching this. I'm going to send this to all my moms and grandpas. Thank you.